The life lessons in your laundry basket. You know what no one tells you? Life's greatest lessons are sitting in your laundry basket, covered in toddler juice stains and missing socks. Lesson number 1, life is repetitive, but that doesn't mean it's meaningless. Every week, laundry piles up. Every week, we wash, fold, repeat. Still, the basket refills. Just like life, the bills, the dishes, the daily grind. But growth hides in repetition. Every load cleaned is a quiet victory. Every folded shirt, a moment of order in the chaos. Lesson number 2, we're all different fabrics. Some people are cotton, soft, easygoing. Some are silk, delicate and rare. Others are denim, tough, reliable, and never out of style. You can't wash everyone the same. Love people like you sort laundry, carefully, and with attention to their tag. Lesson number 3, mistakes happen and things shrink. You didn't check the label. Now your favorite sweater could fit a chihuahua. In life, too, sometimes we shrink. Under pressure. Under stress. But that doesn't mean we're ruined. Just maybe hang dry next time. Mistakes are how we learn to read the fine print. Lesson number 4, control is an illusion. You sort the laundry, fold it perfectly, and then someone sits on it. Or your toddler wears 5 outfits before noon. In life, control is temporary. But peace? That comes from rolling with it. Wrinkles and all. Lesson number 5, not everything has to match to be valuable. Mismatched socks still warm your feet. That dream that didn't go according to plan still taught you something. Don't wait for perfection. Sometimes the unmatched things carry the most warmth. So yeah, your laundry basket isn't just a chore. It's a mirror, a teacher. It's reminding you, life is messy. Life repeats. But you are showing up. Sorting through the chaos. One load at a time. And that's powerful. Thanks for watching.